Meaning of eisteddfod.
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 Eisteddfod. Eisteddfod is a Welsh word that refers to a traditional festival of literature, music, and performance. The festival dates back to the 12th century and is still celebrated today in Wales and other parts of the world where Welsh communities exist. At an eisteddfod, performers compete by showcasing their skills in poetry, singing, instrumental music, dance, drama, and other forms of artistic expression. The winners are awarded prizes and recognition, which can be a significant boost to their careers as artists. Overall, the eisteddfod is a celebration of Welsh culture and a platform for artistic expression and excellence.